All right, you guys. So clearly, I'm still looking beat up, and the reality of it is, the truth of it is, I'm not going to clean myself up until I get my car cleaned up. And my car is cleaned up, as you can see. The SQ Venza is back in the game. I just wanted to make a relatively quick follow-up video from yesterday's short, just to let you guys know that the Venza is back in order. The demos will start soon, but I just wanted you guys to see the progression of when it got hit, or when I messed around and hit it on something, and as I fixed it. It's still, I think I said yesterday, it's like 95% done. It's 99% done, or 98.5, but it's ready to go. Demos will start soon.